Let's save trees and protect our animal friends by Lalita Sundaram. Trees are amazing. They help us and provide homes for animals. Let's learn how we can save them. Trees are homes for our animal friends. Birds build cozy nests in trees. Monkeys, squirrels, and other animals live in tree branches. Trees provide yummy fruits and nuts for many creatures. Trees give us fresh air to breathe. They provide shade and keep the earth cool. Trees help bring rain and make our planet greener. What happens when trees are cut down? Animals lose their homes and have nowhere to go. The air becomes dirty and the earth gets hotter. There is less rain and people, plants and animals suffer. How can we help? Plant more trees in your neighborhood and school. Use less paper and recycle when possible. Cool tree facts. Some trees can live for over 1,000 years. Bamboo grows super fast, almost like magic. Trees can communicate through their roots underground. Be a tree hero. Take care of trees in your home, school and parks. Help feed birds by placing food in trees. Share what you have learned with friends and families. Thank you for caring. Let's work together to keep our planet green and full of life. Do like and share and subscribe.